5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
A production of the Mesa Chamber of Commerce. Visit us at mesachamber.org.
Announcements here. I wanted to thank everybody for helping attending the event today. My name is Rose Martin, and I'm the Regional Vice President of Oak Street Health. I certainly hope that you guys are enjoying our tour of the community's most beautiful and new healthcare center here today, right in this beautiful building. If you have not toured it yet, we certainly would recommend you sign up for a tour to see our outstanding facility. We at Oak Street are excited to be opening our second clinic here in Phoenix, Arizona. So a round of applause to everybody. I wanted to talk a little bit about our model because we're quite unique in that we are a network of primary care clinics really built exclusively to help senior age well in our community. We have 135 centers across over 20 states. At the end of this year, right here in Arizona, we will have more than 11 clinics total, serving over 40,000 Arizona seniors, and will employ over 500 Arizonans, including 85 primary care providers. The mission here at Oak Street is rebuilding healthcare as it should be. Here in Mesa alone, there are 80,000 seniors where Oak Street is committed to providing unmatched quality patient experience, again, right here in this beautiful facility. I think we would all agree that every senior deserves access to great preventative health care, and that's what we offer right here.
yeah.
Thank you. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate this community, our neighbors, and our partners along this journey of providing services again to our seniors. We are very excited that we have our Mayor Giles, as well as our Councilman Mark Freeman, to help support our mission, and we would love to hear them share a few words with us today. So, Councilman Freeman.
Thank you, Rose. I thought everybody would be wearing a cowboy hat when I showed up here, but obviously not. So, thank you for Oak Street and the mission that you're going to have here. I was a paramedic firefighter for the city of Mesa for 31 years, so I know healthcare on the pre-medicine side of it, but strategically locating your offices here is important for this area of our community. So I appreciate that because you're going to reach out to the 65 and older and be able to facilitate, the Medicare and all the things that, as a population, as we age, what we have to do. And unfortunately, I am in that care group, the 65 and older, which, that's important to me because now I know where I can come and get some specialized help. But regardless, thank you for your mission, all that you're going to do in this specific area, because there's a lot of seniors in this area, especially during our winter months. Our snowbirds come here. So with that, thank you. I'm going to introduce the mayor, and here's Mayor Giles.
Thank you, Mark. Mark and I are in the same demographic. I think people were trying to sign us up, as we walked in to receive services, and that's a good thing, isn't it? Because we really do appreciate, on a very personal level, the need for the attention that you bring to our community. Like Mr. Freeman, I've had personal experiences, particularly during the pandemic, that have kind of opened my eyes to the need that you're addressing with Oak Street and the urgent need. To use a pun, I guess you're exactly what the doctor ordered from Mesa, Arizona. During the pandemic, I remember literally about 3 years ago today, during the early stages of the pandemic, food insecurity was identified early on as a big need in our community. And so I was assisting at a food distribution event at the local food bank, and I remember being horrified because at that point the line of people standing outside that food bank, inches away from each other, was primarily older folks who obviously had underlying medical conditions. And I remember just thinking, this is exactly the group of people that needs to not be outside of their homes, standing in line, and they were obviously desperate for, they were experiencing food insecurity, and that was compelling them to literally risk their lives to go out to seek services. That's not okay. And to me, that was a real aha moment, that we have a large, disconnected group of seniors in our community that really needs assistance. And so we get invited to a lot of ribbon cuttings. We don't go to all of them, but it was important that we came here to learn more about this and to offer community support, because this is a tremendous need in our community. So thank you so much for addressing it, and we are anxious to be good partners with you to assist those in this neighborhood. If we drew a mile-long circle around, I'm sure you did, that's why you're located here. This is very fertile territory for the folks who need these services. So thank you for being here. We're looking forward to working with you, and let's learn lessons from the pandemic, shall we? What a tragedy that would be if we have gone through the last 3 years.
Stay connected to Mesa Chamber social media, email newsletters, Monday morning message, and mesachamber.org to always know what's happening at your Mesa Chamber.